Welcome to the latest A Course in Business Miracles activation. I am Heather Dominic, creator of BusinessMiracles.com and founder and leader of the Highly Sensitive Entrepreneur Movement. Highly Sensitive Entrepreneurs, or HSEs, are literally coded to be successful coaches, healing practitioners, and creative entrepreneurs. We are everything the world desperately needs right now. Our time has come. And according to the spiritual and psychological teaching of A Course in Miracles, a miracle is defined as a shift in perception, which is exactly what's required for HSE success and what this Business Miracles activation is designed to create for you. So wherever you are, I invite you to allow yourself to be fully present for our time together and this activation experience. Really prepare yourself to receive. Make it a conscious choice demonstrated through action.
So I invite you to just allow yourself to come to a comfortable position. Take a moment to just put down anything that might be in your hands, coffee cups, tea, pen, pencil, journal, keyboards, mouse, anything else. And just allow your feet to then also come to an evenly positioned place beneath you. So uncrossing your legs just for this moment. And then you can take your hands, place them gently, comfortably in your lap. Take a moment to wiggle your toes, rock your feet back and forth, and really take a moment to really register and feel them connecting with the floor, the ground, the earth beneath you. Together, let's take a moment to roll our shoulders up to our ears and down our backs. Monday, Monday, Monday. And again, shoulders up to the ears and down the back. And even just one more time, power of 3. Shoulders up to the ears and down the back. And then if you haven't already, just allow your eyes to close and just register just the physical change and shift for yourself by bringing attention to the feet and bringing attention to the spine. Grounding down while leveling up. And so take a moment and just imagine a string just tugging gently at the center top of your head, and just see if the spine is meant to shift up even a little bit more. Full alignment, and maybe even rocking the spine forward, back, side to side, rotating in a circle until you find your sweet spot of conscious attention and alignment. And together, let's take in a breath and let it out. And again, strong, steady breath. And let it out. And one more time for the power of 3. Beautiful, strong, steady breath in. And let it out. Eyes still closed. Spine still consciously aligned. Breath steady, strong. Hands resting gently, comfortably on the lap. Feet planted evenly beneath you. Again, just registering the energy from bringing physical attention to the instrument that is your body. And from this space of conscious connection physically, taking this moment to, from here, open up the mind and open up the heart. seeing if in this moment, just briefly, you can allow the mind to be set aside and the heart to vulnerably open, just slightly wider than you typically walk around each day. When you feel thoughts jumping back into the mind, like beach balls that monkeys like to bounce around, just see if you can allow it to again just place the beach ball down, resting gently to the side, knowing that all the obsessive thoughts will be available to you to pick up once again if you choose at any moment. And see if from this conscious decision to open the mind and to open the heart, if you can again register any slight shift and difference within your physical frame, the physical instrument of your body. Are you able to register a release, an opening? And if not, are you able to recognize that as well and allow even that to be okay in this moment? And from this space of conscious physical alignment, intentional opening of mind and heart, we just in this moment give a direct ask to please allow each of us here in this community of highly sensitive entrepreneurs and leaders to be used as instruments for betterment, to be used as instruments for betterment to move the world forward towards healing, towards harmony, towards creative productivity, in whatever way that's meant to look for each of us. But please allow our matrix that stretches around the globe to be one of open mind, open heart, and again, instruments for betterment. Breath in and let it out. Take a moment to bow the head, touching chin to chest. Allow your eyes to physically come on open, taking a moment to just reorient yourself to your physical environment, and then allowing your gaze to rise up, connecting in with the amazing energy.
My intention is that this Business Miracles activation creates a powerful perception shift for you, a business miracle. And if now you're ready to learn how to use your highly sensitive abilities to really support you in being purposeful, profitable, and empowered, then I invite you to take my free self-quiz to find out if you are indeed a highly sensitive entrepreneur. And if you are, along with your results, you'll receive my free HSE Success Guide, which will teach you how to have your highly sensitive abilities working for you to create the results you desire in your business. Take the quiz and receive your free success guide now at www.hsequiz.com. hsequiz.com. Other than that, leaving you with many blessings for the rest of the day, week, into the weekend, and until our next Business Miracles connection.